Meaning of Grecian.
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 Grecian. The adjective Grecian refers to anything related to ancient or modern Greece, including its people, culture, language, or geography. It may also be used to describe architecture, art, or styles inspired by Greek civilization. The term derives from the Latin word Graecus, which in turn comes from the Greek word lambda-etanu, Ellen, the ethnonym of the Hellenes, the ancient Greeks. Today, the term Grecian is often used in poetic contexts, as an elegant and evocative alternative to the more common term Greek. Overall, Grecian connotes the rich history, legends, and achievements of the Greek civilization that continue to inspire and fascinate people worldwide.